Are you curious about a powerful, free alternative to Windows and macOS? Let's talk about Ubuntu, a user-friendly version of Linux that's changing how people use computers around the world. Ubuntu is an open-source operating system based on Linux, designed to be secure, stable, and easy to use, even for beginners. Developed by Canonical Lutend, Ubuntu was first released in 2004 and has since become one of the most popular Linux distributions used by individuals, developers, and even big businesses. Unlike Windows or macOS, Ubuntu gives users full control over their system while providing thousands of free applications through its software center. It's known for its sleek interface, regular updates, and strong focus on privacy and security. Ubuntu is especially loved by developers because of its powerful command line, compatibility with coding tools, and ability to run efficiently on older hardware. You can install Ubuntu on laptops, desktops, or even run it alongside your existing operating system. Plus, Ubuntu comes in several flavors, like Ubuntu Desktop for everyday use, Ubuntu Server for cloud and hosting environments, and lightweight versions like Xubuntu or Lubuntu for older computers. Whether you're a student, developer, or someone just tired of slow, bloated systems, Ubuntu offers speed, reliability, and complete freedom, all at zero cost. It's also widely used in education, web development, cybersecurity, and even in powering supercomputers. If you're thinking of trying it out, don't worry. The installation process is straightforward, and there's a huge global community ready to help you get started. So, if you've ever wondered what Ubuntu is and why so many people are switching to Linux, now is the perfect time to explore a smarter, faster, and more secure way to use your computer. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos, and check the blog link in the description for a step-by-step beginner's guide to Ubuntu.